This is the wheel that I'm gonna put on. 2021 Subaru Outback. All right, so we're gonna put these on. We took out one of these OEM ones. These are like an OEM washer that goes in there. So we're gonna drill this out with a 3/4 bit, and that will just take the crown off of it, and then it just falls right out. You get this, a nice seat for the wobble bolt, so that the wobble bolt can fit in there. So you're just replacing the OEM one with this one. And I'll show you how I did it. You know, you don't have to be perfectly straight, but you want to be as straight as possible, because all you want to do is just take off the top part without damaging, you know, the actual aluminum. So you just want to be as straight as possible. This is going to be hard to do with me holding this, but you just want to make sure that the drill is going super slow. You don't want to go fast. Just really, really slow, and let it, you know, bite into the metal. You can see little chips coming off already, but I need 2 hands to do this. Those OEM washers, they all fell out. All the heads are gone. Make sure you set your depth. This fender has to be removed, just to give you that extra clearance. Put 2 back. We had a little bit of rubbing, but it's okay. We're gonna lift this up, get some more clearance there. Body lift, stay tuned. See us on the next episode.